This video is about alternate nostril breathing. Hi, my name's Jessie, and today I'm going to teach you a breathing technique that is used in yoga. And I made some preparations and used my neti pot to get my sinuses all cleared out before I even started this venture. So if you would like to learn how to do single nostril breathing, you can check out that video where I did not prepare. And that just shows you how to breathe through the single nostril, which could be self-explanatory, but you never know. So to begin, we're going to use our thumb and our index finger, and we're going to close the left nostril. Inhale deeply and fully through the right nostril. Close the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Now inhale through the left nostril. Fully and deeply. Block that nostril and then exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. And then exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Block the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left after you block the right. Inhale through the left. Block that nostril, exhale through the left, through the right. Then inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Good job. Now just come to sitting comfortably in Sukhasana, seated easy pose, and breathe comfortably and naturally, closing your eyes perhaps. You want to do alternate nostril breathing for 3 to 5 minutes. And then just breathe comfortably and naturally for a couple minutes after that. Single nostril breathing is also called Nadi shodhana. And there are many benefits to doing alternate nostril breathing. It balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain. This is an excellent way to reduce anxiety and stress. It can lower the heart rate and relieve tension. It can revitalize a tired mind or body. It also revitalizes the body's channels so that prana, which is life force energy, can travel more fluidly and easily through the body. Well, there you have it, alternate nostril breathing. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. You can check me out on Instagram. And may love and light be yours today. Thank you so much. Namaste.